Hey everyone, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. I am out and about traveling this week, but I still want to come to you with what we're looking at in the stock market. I also got something brand new I want to show each and every one of you that's coming out real soon. So, first of all, S&P 500. We are creeping up on the all-time highs. I do believe we're going to get through these highs, and we're going to see the markets move even higher still, and I'm going to show you why in just a few minutes. But we got a good bounce off the 200-day moving average just prior to the election. We've gone up very fast in a short amount of time. However, again, I do believe we're going to see higher highs. I'll also show you why looking at three other charts. Number one, bonds. Look at the bond market and what's happened in the last week. We have dropped on TLT from 130 down to near 120. And, we've got this big move down. Where is all the money going? Well, it's going in two places. Number one, it's going into equities. And number two, it's going into cash. And I can tell you why, because the US dollar is very, very strong. And I can see now when we look at this next chart, FXE, which is the euro dollars, look what's going on here. Yearly lows established again today, and the FXE closed below support, closed below its low for the year, which was back in January. Well, it did that last week, and it's continued. And so what we're seeing here is with FXE, this is telling us that traders are long the dollar and short foreign currencies. Finally, take a look at oil. Now, USO is the ETF for oil, but take a look at this. So every signal we've gotten so far, looking at Darknet, we've had buying opportunities, and it's sold higher. And then again in March, buying opportunity, sold higher. And then in summer, buying opportunity, sold higher. Guess what we got last week? We got another buying opportunity right around $10 on USO, which tells me that USO is poised to move higher. When you take everything I just talked about into account, and you take this next chart, which is our money calendar, take a look at what's going on for the back half of November. It's all green. It means that over the last 10 years, 9 of those 10 years have been good to the most popular stocks that are trading right now. And we see this going on until the beginning of December. Now, finally, I want to show you one more thing. This is called Holiday Trader. Holiday Trader is a new app that's being beta tested right now by my System Mastery members. And Holiday Trader is something that we're going to make available to all of our tools members at the beginning of the year. But I want to show you something really cool. So I decided to look at Tiffany's because next week we have Black Friday coming. And I thought, Tiffany's, does it actually have a buying pattern in and out of Thanksgiving Day? So what we did is we looked at 20 years back tested. We looked at Thanksgiving Day. I went ahead and did the bracket, which is 10 days before and 10 days after the Thanksgiving holiday. And then I hit the submit button, and here's what we get. These 10 trades, as we rank them from average percent, you will see that during the 5 days before Thanksgiving and the 1 day after Thanksgiving, this had the highest result both in average percent and in accuracy. So this is telling me 16 years back, that's the most amount of data we could get on Tiffany's, had an 87% accuracy of being bullish going back 16 years. And so what I want to look for is an option strategy that will double in value with just a 3.5% move on the stock. So I wanted to leave you with that. And guys, if I don't talk to you before then, happy Thanksgiving Day, and I will see you soon. Thanks again.